guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. This is the first new release video in I feel like months. I took a step back from YouTube and I'm trying now to get back into a routine. I am going to be filming a plan with me hopefully tomorrow. I've been super busy getting the second chance orders done. The remainder of those are gonna be going out Monday. I did get them all finished today. However, did not make it to the post office on time. So those are done. That leaves us with bundles, any extra orders that came through in the $2 Tuesday from the past couple of days. And then, yeah, so I wanna get started by saying we have a new format, we have a non-foil format. These are press-ons, I just put them on and they're not my normal kind, they came with glue, so I keep getting stuck together, so if you notice that, I'm sorry. We're going to be doing a flash sale tonight. Today is mine and Colby's 1 year, well actually I think it was technically yesterday, 1 year engagement anniversary. It popped up on my stories and I thought it would be fun to do another flash sale like I did last year when we got engaged. So that will be 40% off of all stickers. It won't work on apparel and it will be from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until midnight Eastern Standard Time today, Saturday. Also, before I get started, let me get this out of the way. I posted this on Instagram and I believe in the Facebook group as well. So I did a shop announcement from now on because we are doing apparel. It's taking up a lot of time because those orders are coming in throughout the week as well. And my sticker office is not here. Shirts are here, stickers are at Mom's. It's just easier for us that way. So when we have a ton of different options to print off for stickers, it can take a very long time to get those done. So in order to process everything faster, we're gonna release kits on either Thursday or Friday. It's generally Thursday really late if that happens. They'll stay up through Monday morning and then they're going to come down so that we don't have stuff in the shop all the time as far as sticker kits go. If I have any extra stock, I'll put that in and leave it up. And then they'll come back for larger sales. So for this sale that we're about to do, I did remove all the Halloween items, but anything else will be up and then those will all come down and then the new releases will be up as well. Okay, I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll answer them for you. So I wanted to go over our new format and then I wanted to do a non-foil format. So it's been a while since I've done a non-foiled kit, but there's like certain art that just I don't think works great with foil. And I only mean that for the full boxes. I don't have an issue with doing the rest of the boxes and stuff with foil. I think that still looks really cute. But I wanted to do a non-foil format, so I did. And it is different, it's not just this without foil, so I wanna go through that. I did offer this kit as well with foil, but you guys can see there isn't much. You've got your quote box. I did don't get your tinsel in a tangle. There's just a little bit of kind of like foil speckle up there and down here, and then the rest of the kit is foiled. But as far as the full boxes go, that's it. And this is a style that I used to do a lot of, and I just have been wanting to plan with some kits that looked more like this, where there's kind of a lot going on. So if you guys hate it, that's fine, let me know, but I wanted to do some of these. So let's go through the non-foiled format first, and then I will show you guys the new foiled format. There's a lot of changes. So for this right here, you have got 8 full boxes. That's just because of how these fit. I wanted to make all of these horizontal so it was very easy to tell in the shop what is foiled and what isn't. How cute are these full boxes? I am so in love. We've got just Christmas, it's all Christmas. I have one Christmas kit, technically 2 if you count the non-foiled, and then 2 that are more of like winter kits. So here's your full box sheet. Your next sheet, you've got flags, quarter labels, slightly larger labels, and then half boxes down at the bottom. I wanted to include a ton of these. I did that in the new format of the foiled kits as well. You guys will see. With these, I did a lot of the patterns since there isn't the foiling. Next, this is something in both kits, and I thought I grabbed, did I not grab? I'll check in a second. Our new freebies have some of these as well. So for the third page here, you've got your work labels, you've got 2 of these bow checklist boxes, so you've got goals and to do. You have either a tracker or a checklist. There are 7 bows here. You've got bow checklist, pattern checklist, plain checklist. I may do something with this for the non-foiled kits because it's, I don't know, to me it's kind of plain, but. And then up top, these are our new icons. I wanted to add icons to the kits, but I didn't want to do just the plain like outline icons. You guys, I'm sure know what I'm talking about. So I wanted to do something more fun. So these are them. So you've got a laptop with coffee, you've got nail polish, a stack of books, and a candle and tea. This is like a bathroom cabinet with cleaning supplies, washer. You've got this little gym like workout icons. You've got a sports bra, some pants, and then a pair of shoes, grocery bag, vacuum, calendar with an alarm clock, a book with what looks like some hot cocoa. And then we've got more cleaning supplies. We've got this really cute bed, which I'm gonna use for changing sheets. I think that is perfect for that. We've got an envelope with a credit card, some boxes, and then a mop over to the side. So I adore these, and I think that they're neutral enough that even though they don't necessarily go with these colors, I would have still pulled these to go with anything else because they are pretty neutral. You guys can let me know how you feel about them in the comments. But these are in the foiled kit as well, and I'll get to that in just a second. And then your last sheet here, we have got bottom washi, 2 daily trackers, date covers, and then some just kind of like fun boxes up top. I love boxes like this that have a shape to them instead of just like a plain, you know, what is it, 1.5 inch box that just kind of takes up the whole space. You guys can see these are not that wide. So that is the non-foiled version of the kit. You guys can let me know, do you like it? Are you interested? I did a poll asking if people were interested in non-foiled, and it was just barely over on yes, but I figured I'd try it out because I wanted it for me. If nothing else, I designed it for myself then. Okay, so moving on, let's do the same kit, but with foil. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit. Also, there is deco for this kit. I don't have it here. For some reason, I forgot to print it. And there is the layering sampler, also forgot to print that. So, but I do have the new layering sampler for the other 2 kits, so you guys will get to see that. So again, here are your full boxes. And then your extra box is just this quote box. There are 8 here, 9 on the foiled. Then your second sheet, which again, this is a reformat, so I'm gonna kind of go through everything. So you've got 3 of the labels up top. These do have the kind of like double line, just vertically going down. And then we've got a bunch of smaller boxes and then 2 rows of the larger boxes. So once we move on to kits that aren't winter, these little guys will change. But for right now, we've got like this little toboggan, we've got a snow globe, snowman, mittens, and there's a snowflake down at the bottom. And then we do have the string lights, just some little kind of like star confetti deco, the bow with the lines right here, more of just like a confetti deco, a couple of bows. I just kind of went through and did just a little bit everywhere. I really like how it ended up turning out. These 3 kits do all have the winter type of foiling on them. I think that just looks really cute, especially for this time of year, because like, look at that snowman. Not this time of year. It's not this time of year yet, but you guys know what I'm saying. So that is the second sheet in the reformat. A big thing for feedback, guys, I've not filmed in so long, I can't even talk. A big thing that I've gotten a lot of feedback on as far as kits go is always more boxes. So I did the whole sheet boxes. I hope you guys like it. Again, feel free to leave any feedback in the comments. Another thing that I got was refoil the headers, so I did that. So you've got 3 rows of headers, 1 is patterned, and then the other 2 have the just kind of like sparkle over them. We do have the bow checklist over here, and then here are the icons. They are the same ones that are in the non-foiled kit. And then down here at the bottom, you have some washi, and then there's just a little bit of foiling on these 2. So that's your third sheet. And then the fourth sheet, nothing changed. So you have got your date covers, you've got your tracker, you have your washi. I love the bottom washi for this kit. It has the string lights for like a Christmas tree on it, which I thought was so adorable. So that is the foiled version of the kit. And in just a second with the next kit, I will show you guys the layering sampler, which is just a la carte. Speaking of that, so this is the deluxe version of the kit. Again, I don't have B6. You know what? I'll show you guys with the next kit because I didn't print B6 for this either. So we will still have deluxe, mini, and B6 for all of these. Layering sampler, a la carte. If deco is available, you'll be able to just pick that up with the kit. So I'm just gonna go to the next one and then I'll show you guys all of the sheets because for everything else, I did print everything. Okay, so this one is, I believe, from a couple years ago. I don't know if I redid this one last year or not, but this is one of my favorite winter kits. It's called Cold, and the amount of foil in this kit, I just love it so much. So your full boxes, I mean, look at that. It's a ton of foiling. You've got Hello Cold Days, and then all of these little houses with the snow and the trees, the snowflakes in the picture, Snuggle Up and Watch It Snow, Walking in a Winter Wonderland. You've got the garland on the fireplace, Baby It's Cold Outside in the sign, and then 2 more houses with the trees. This is your bottom washi. So the entire kit is just so incredibly shiny, and I love it. I'm always going to be obsessed with this kit. So I don't know if my camera is even, I think it's not focusing, but this is like a little house scene with the trees, the smoke coming out of the chimneys. So I'm not gonna go super in depth as far as the rest of these pages, since I just showed them to you guys. I'll just kind of lay them out like this, but I do want to show you Deluxe, Mini, and B6. This is the B6 sheet for this kit. So for Deluxe, it's all 4 pages. For Mini, it is full boxes, boxes, and then your bottom washi and date cover sheet. So it's these 3 pages. Also on the website, I show each page on listings. I just find it's easier that way since we're doing different stuff. So for B6, instead of this, you would get this one. These are cut right here in the center, so it will either fit a B6, or if you wanted to extend it, I think it's A5 maybe. This is like the normal size, if that makes sense. I'd have to look at the actual measurements, but I had somebody look for me, and it was either B6 or it would extend all the way. So that is the B6 page, and then you'd get the same boxes and the same full boxes. So I hope that makes sense, because I feel like I'm being very confusing, but it has been a day. Okay. Layering sheet. So this is the layering sheet for that kit, and I do actually have 2 of them here. I don't need both. So I wanted to update the layering sheet from what we had. I wanted to add in more of the shapes, and then this one again has some of the winter elements that won't be in all of them. So we've got bow box. I think this is so cute. This is new. This was in the older ones. We've got the string light boxes. This is new, and it almost looks like a picture frame, and then it's got some of the confetti foiling. This was in the old ones, another string box, and then we've got another bow box down at the bottom, and they're just different shapes and sizes. Moving over, these 3 these 2 and this guy I am obsessed with. So we put the string lights here, then we've got some of that confetti foiling, and it's actually little stars, if you guys can see. That's better. Another bow box over here, but it's a bit different. We've got the opaque area in the center. I did 2 of these, just kind of, they're cut the same way that you guys can see, like the outside. They're almost like a circular, but like a floral words banner. And then they have just kind of a confetti going around the inside. We've got this little box here that has the star foiling. I wanted to do some more of these smaller boxes, so we've got that confetti star as well as a string light here. Couple bigger boxes, and we've got a snowman and a snow globe. Those will change out depending on the season or what the kit is. 2 of these boxes down here that have got the double lines, and then we've got 2 scalloped banners, one with a string light, one with just confetti foiling. And then down at the very bottom, we've got 2 of the scalloped, kind of like labels, one with the bow and then one with the confetti foiling. So that is the new layering sheet. You guys can let me know too how you feel about that. I really love this a lot. I think it's a little bit more functional than what we did have, but you guys let me know. So that was the cold layering sheet. Next kit. So this one is a reformat as well, but it's been a long time since this kit has been into the shop, and I love it because I think it's just so cute, and I feel like a lot of things are looking very similar recently. Like just even in my shop, the way that I started to design everything, I really liked it. It was very pretty, but everything started to kind of just look like a different version of, or different art, but the same type of, what am I trying to say? The same type of design. It's very like minimal, and then it has the foil, if you guys know what I'm saying. That's one reason that I wanted to do some of these type of kits that have like way more going on. This one I wanted to bring back because it's been a while since I've done something with just a ton of foil. And then that's another reason that I wanted to start doing some of the boxes that were like just way more intricately designed. It takes way longer to design that way, but I was just getting bored of doing such like minimal designing, if that makes sense. I do still love them. I think they're very pretty, and I'm sure that I'll still release some like that, but I want to do like back and forth. So I was scrolling through looking at some of my older kits just to kind of like see what, you know, how my designing has changed. And that's when I saw this kit and I was like, oh my goodness, that needs to come back. So this one has got the snow globe, the mittens, and the snowman down at the bottom, polar bear, penguins, just super cute. So this is your full box sheet. Your next sheet will be your boxes. I also really love the colors of this one for winter. Next sheet, you've got your headers, your icons, checklist, and washi. And then you have got your date covers, you have got your bottom washi, bow washi, daily trackers, tracker over to the side. And the bottom washi, I did redo this from the way that it was originally in this kit and just did kind of like a snow overlay instead of the way that it was originally. So there's that. Here is your layering sheet for that kit. And I also wanted to, with the layering sheets, keep them without any kind of pattern from the kits. I may change this in the future, but I thought that these were so nice if they were just a functional colorway. That way you guys could use them for whatever. It didn't necessarily have to go with that kit, especially with some of the colorways for this week because I thought they were so good for like winter or Christmas. Also, I cannot wait to show you guys what I've got for, it'll be $3 Tuesday. They're big sheets, but I will say that they are snowflake foiling, and let me see if I've got one. It's snowflake foiling with some of these big boxes. If you guys remember some of the string light sheets that I've done in the past, it's similar, but with snowflakes and not as lights. It's just, you guys will see, but I am obsessed with how they turned out, and I'm working on color palettes. I've been working on color palettes. So, B6 sheet. I feel like I'm all over the place. I apologize. I'm gonna go finish up listings. I hope you guys love these. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. The sale will begin at 8 p.m. EST and it'll end at midnight. These won't come out of the shop until Monday though. They just won't be on sale anymore. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.